1949 Chevrolet Styleline Deluxe Sport Coupe. Here at Unique, especially in classics, love the look of this car. I think it has something to do with this maroon metallic paint that's on it. All right, underneath the hood, 216 era correct inline 6-cylinder. That's paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission with a shifter on the column. Let's go ahead and take a look at this chrome and bright work up front. Headlight bezels, hood ornament. Now we do have a little delaminating of the chrome on the bumper there. Just want to point that out, but you can see it has a decent shine to it. And like I said, kind of a maroon or burgundy metallic paint. That shows well. All right, still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside. Looks very solid and original underneath there. You're going to be able to see the trunk, the engine bay, interior. All those still pics can be seen at UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That'll take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. That is a wide white wall bias ply tire. Of course, steel wheel, hubcaps, beauty rings. Very stock, stylish look on this car. Take a look down the passenger side. You can see it's not full of any major nicks, dings, scratches. You may find some imperfections here or there, but overall, car has a great look to it. Got the rock guards back here on the front side of the rear fenders. Also kind of the nail guards by the door handles. Couple options on there. Beige cloth interior. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. This thing just purrs. Very, very smooth running car. Coming around to the rear. Check the chrome out on the rear bumper. Nice and clean and tidy in the trunk too, which you'll see in the still pictures. So again, take your time looking through the still pictures. Fender skirts included. I will put those back in the trunk. A couple miscellaneous trim pieces also go along with it. All right, a few notes from the technician on this one. Mentioned the wipers do work. They are vacuum operated. 6-volt system still. New master cylinder. All new brake shoes. All new wheel cylinders. Could use a coolant flush in the future. Did mention the fuel gauge was in op. Some very minor weeps as far as powertrain. Nothing out of the ordinary for a car that's driven. And once again, all the still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like these older Chevys, 40s and 50s, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. Did notice there is a little bit of a kind of a blemish in the hood up here. It's really tough to see. Yeah, there's just kind of maybe a couple imperfections here or there. Again, overall has a great look to it. One of those cars, get in, turn the key, drive it, have some fun. All right, door panel, nice condition. We do have a couple rips in the seat over here. If you wanted to mend those, could do it. Visors in place, headliner good shape. Dome light working. Pretty original looking interior. Let's go ahead and fire this up. So I'm in neutral. We're gonna push buttons right here. The key needs to be in the straight up and down position. I'm gonna push it. There is a aftermarket temp gauge down here. That was a cold start, so I don't expect that to be up. Oil pressure came up, battery you can see, and these two would be in op since you're using the temp gauge down below. Top of the dash looks good. Doors don't sound like that when you close them anymore, huh? Listen to this. Like I said, running smooth. All right, let me slip up to the front. It's going to take a couple hands to get this open. One release down below in the grill, and then the secondary up between the grill and the hood. So let me get the hood open, check it out, and Jason's going to take it for a drive at the end of the video, so stick around. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. And how about engine bay? Again, air correct, 216 cubic inch, inline 6-volt system yet, or single carb. If you want to do any decoding, the data tag will be in the still pictures, as well as the VIN. Stove bolt Chevy engine in a 1949 Chevrolet Styleline Deluxe Sport Coupe. Great color. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today, let's take a ride in a 1949 Chevrolet. This is a nice little two-door, 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. Horn sounds great. Kind of a rich brown color, inside and out, a little bit of beige. Very smooth runner, easy to start. Clutch feels very good. If you can drive any kind of a clutch vehicle, you can drive a 3-on-the-tree just as easy. Very positive engagement in the gears. Beautiful original looking gauges. We have a clock over here. Speedometer appears to be reading correctly. Our battery is charging over halfway on the gauge. The oil pressure almost 3/4 of the way up. That's good. Now the fuel gauge reads completely full, and the temperature gauge is pegged, which is inaccurate because it hasn't warmed up yet. So those two gauges I would check on the retail report in our photos at uniqueclassiccars.com. Bench seat, front and rear, as you'd expect. Nice looking headliner. This interior is either really very well redone or has survived. It is really original looking, a time capsule of a car. The wipers work on this car. Down below the dash, we have a gauge, actually a Napa gauge, a gauge made by Napa back in the day, Napa Auto Parts, and that's reading 180 degrees for the engine temperature. Let's go down a second gear and roll into this traffic circle. Brakes working very well. Corners luxuriously. Nice quiet cruiser. Check out all the pictures of this 49 Chevrolet at uniqueclassiccars.com.